Imagine waking up to new subscribers, new opportunities, and even sales without posting every day. That's the power of email marketing and automation, and today I'm going to show you how it actually works. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to grow your brand, build trust with your audience, and create income online without depending on algorithms, then email marketing is a skill you need to understand. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through what email marketing is, how automation works, how to start from zero, and how creators and entrepreneurs use email to build real, long-term success online. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or aspiring entrepreneur, this lesson will help you turn followers into a community that actually listens and engages. Email marketing is one of the few platforms you truly own. Algorithms change, social media trends fade, but your email list stays yours. Email marketing is a direct, cost-effective way to build relationships and drive sales. Automation sends targeted emails based on user actions, saving time. Write compelling subject lines and personalize for higher open rates. Email marketing is the direct connection between your business and your audience. Automation sends targeted messages based on customer behavior. Create engaging emails and turn subscribers into customers. What is email marketing? Email marketing is sending valuable messages directly to people who choose to hear from you. It helps you build trust and grow a personal brand. It helps you promote products or services and drive traffic consistently. And it generates long-term income. Think of it as a direct conversation, not advertising. Why email marketing still wins? Social media reach is temporary. Email is personal. You own your audience. Higher engagement than social media, builds deeper relationships, works 24/7 with automation. Followers scroll, subscribers listen. What is email automation? It's a powerful tool. It means emails are sent automatically based on actions you take. For example, signing up for a newsletter triggers a welcome email. It's efficient and reliable. Someone signs up, a welcome email sends instantly. 1 day later, a value email. 3 days later, a story email. 5 days later, an offer email. You build it once, it works forever. Tools you can use. Beginner-friendly. Choose one to start. MailChimp, ConvertKit, Brevo, GetResponse, or MailerLite. Don't overthink tools. Strategy matters more. Step 1. Create a lead magnet. Give people a reason to subscribe. A lead magnet is a free, valuable resource that solves a problem for your audience. This builds trust and grows your list. Ready to accelerate your success? Join our exclusive community. Fill in your name and email on the screen now. Sign up today and start transforming your career. Welcome. Today, we'll set up a welcome automation sequence for new subscribers. First, choose the subscribes to list trigger. Then, fill in the subject line and click Save and Activate. Your sequence is now live. Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm your host, and I'm so glad you're here. As a thank you, I'm delivering a free gift to your inbox. Expect weekly emails with tips and inspiration to help you succeed. Thanks for joining me. For our next email, we want to hear your story. Share your journey with us. What challenges have you overcome? Your stories build real connection and inspire us all. Send your story to the address on the screen. Email 3 is about value. Teach your audience something useful to build trust. Email 4 establishes authority. Share your results of offer. Recommend a product, service, or content to guide them forward. Email 5 is the soft offer. Recommend a product or trust and drives action. Want people to open your emails? Start with strong subject lines. Keep them simple and human, like, I learned this the hard way, or this changed my mindset. Avoid sounding like trick works. The first sentence of your email is the hook that decides if it gets read. Share a story or problem to build connection and show your value to help them solve it. Finally, add an action step and a clear call to action. Let's discuss the types of emails you should send. First, educational emails and personal stories. Also, tips, tutorials, and weekly newsletters. And product recommendations like behind-the-scene promotion. Let's explore automation workflows every beginner should build. First, a welcome sequence to greet new subscribers. Next, a weekly newsletter to keep your audience engaged. And a lead magnet delivery to nurture your leads. Welcome to our product education series on intermediate automations. First, re-engagement emails help you reconnect with inactive subscribers. Next, subscriber tagging lets you segment your audience for targeted campaigns. These tools will boost your marketing. Let's explore advanced automations for smarter marketing. First, behavior-based emails that respond to customer actions in real time. Next, purchase follow-ups that nurture customer relationships that boost revenue. Advanced automations are key to scaling your marketing. First, behavior-based emails trigger personalized messages based on user actions. Finally, up-to-sell sequences target high-value customers for more revenue. Mistakes beginners make: selling too early, sending emails only when promoting, writing long, boring messages, ignoring storytelling, no clear audience focus. Consistency beats perfection. How email marketing makes money? You can monetize through digital products, coaching, affiliate marketing, courses, brand partnerships, and services. Trust builds relationships, which drive conversions. Simple weekly email plan. Monday, value tip. Wednesday, personal insight or story. Friday, recommendation or offer. Consistency builds familiarity. Growth tips for creators. Add an email letter in all your bios and offer exclusive content via email. Repurpose your social posts into emails and always talk becomes your digital asset. Add an email link in all your bios, mention your newsletter and videos, and offer exclusive content via email. Repurpose your social posts into emails. Your email list becomes your digital asset. Social media helps people discover you, but email marketing helps people stay with you. Start small, stay consistent, and build a list that grows with your vision.